How's it going, everyone? Just an update on 72 SS 454. Something looks like it's missing. Well, it is. Why? That's why. Before someone says welded, I don't have the ability or the correct stuff to weld cast iron. Plus, I don't really trust it on that small of an area. Let's face it, the manifolds are over 50 years old, been through many heat cycles. I thought about buying reproduction ones, but God, they look cheap. So I took it as my sign from the universe to put headers on the car. So that will be the next video you see on this car, and then I promise you will see a first start video like I've been promising, but that's why nothing's happened with it.